how to find admin notification settings on Ecwid. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find admin notification settings. First, open your browser and then click settings, and here we'll find notifications, and then scroll down until you find here scroll down until you find this one, admin notification settings. And as you see here, you can manage admin notification settings, and you can manage here new order placed and no stock notification. And now just go back. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.